Hey everybody, Joey1X and on the tubes. Today I'm just going to be showing you a little video, making you a little video. I potentially am getting my walkway and steps done. Yep, putting some money into the house. This December will be 10 full years. And, I'm sure everybody likes and needs stuff, Okay, that's a random bird in the bush. What is that? A bird in the bush is two in the bush? Right. So, just wanted to show everybody, even myself, what it's going to look like before and after. So, if nothing is wrong, these two steps are going to stay. Maybe he'll change them. Maybe. I don't know. But what's included is this blue stone is going to go away. And this walkway is going to go away into the steps. It's going to be a gray 4x4 border coming off of the steps to this location, and I picked a pavers. I originally wanted to get white railings for each side of the door so my kids wouldn't ever fall, but this thing right here is kind of preventing that happening because of the winter. It's separated. So this whole thing is going to get gutted down to the original bowl that's underneath here to begin with. This house was built in the 50s, so this is not the original steps. We're going to replace these three blue stones, 1, 2, 3, and then he's going to go sideways to the house this way. Should go down to this way, and in the middle is going to get the same pavers as in the middle right here. So we'll just take a quick look. This is definitely rotted away and bulged out. God, who knows what's under there. You can see different kinds of bricks under here. There's some kind of brick right there. It's going to look generally the same because the sides are going to be up against some kind of concrete foundation so they don't fall. So what's he going to do is I'm going to have him bring in like 3-4 yards of dirt, and we're going to bring it up to the dirt in here and here. This is not included, but I want him to do something in here. Kind of sick of that. It's very disgusting looking. So this is all going to go away. The front's going to be brick. The sides are going to be brick. And this is all going to go away. And hopefully he could fix this without removing this bush. Really, this is a holly. I really don't want this taken away. I don't like that it's growing into this though. So I have to cut it back or ask my wife if she wants a different kind of bush. Could get a new holly. Really no difference. Now it's like taking away from that, and he might actually have to cut it out in order to like get in there. And there is one sprinkler head right here that he's gonna have to move. Or not. He may not move it, but I don't know if the concrete is going to affect it. He saw it. He says, I'll determine if I need to move it. But just want to show you, this too could use growth, dirt. So I don't know. Maybe I get rid of the bush. Fill this up a little bit. Who knows? Because if you fill it up, and then this could go higher. Because it really is down. You shouldn't have that much void. Should really. Because it's like this goes into that, and then like that comes into that. So like it should be filled. Whatever. Just want to show you that this has been kind of teetering off over the last 10 years. All these little cuts. Like this thing could come out. What's under here now is dirt. Bugs. It's nothing really left as far as. Oh, maybe there's a nest in there. Hunt. This I think is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 steps. 12-inch sneakers, 4 feet. Take a couple snapshots while I'm making the video. But yeah, so if he comes, I'll try to get some video of them working. They're not going to finish in one day, so I'll be able to get some video of them when they're done. We'll have to take it with a grain of salt to see what it comes out to be. So thanks for watching, and by the power of editing, we'll see how this looks when it's done. Well, maybe the next step is seeing how this looks empty, because it's all about prep. All right, yeah, this is shot. We'll see how much. I know how much the original thing is, but then you say to yourself, all right, how much is the bluestone? Why don't you, pull these up? Why don't you make these brand new, fill in the mortar joints that are down there, so 7,500 becomes 85, becomes 95. Well, why don't you bring this down? Oh, you know what, I could fix that for 250, Next thing you know, you're in at $12,000. But yes, this actually could get filled if he's done. If he's got to pull it, he's got to pull it. What are you going to do? I like it that it's holly, but it's crooked. It's growing. It's crooked. You can't. It needs to be like turned around. So maybe he could pull it and then put it back. But sometimes that doesn't work that way. If he has to pull it, he has to pull it. Wonder how much a holly bush is. All right, guys. See ya. Bye-bye.